Chances are, your company's most valuable assets are not its servers or its products, but its people. Your business development staff create relationships with your clients. Your customer service reps distinguish your service from others. Your software developers create the product that your clients buy. And managing employee relations, finding and developing the talent, and building staff morale is no small task. MindEdge's HR certificate and coursework will give you a well-rounded foundation in the human resource management function, including best practices in compensation, employee selection, performance management, development, and even anti-discrimination employment laws. Interested in HRCI and SHRM credits and certifications? MindEdge courses offer credits toward both, with highly engaging content, a mobile-friendly platform, and video by human resource experts. MindEdge courses give you the tools you need to avoid human resource pitfalls, helping you stay on the right side of the law with a happy and diverse employee pool. MindEdge HR courses. Be ready to manage your most valuable assets.